In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo backup in Google Photos. If you've backed up your photos and videos to Google Photos and you now want to reverse that, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your own device without getting lost. To begin, open the Google Photos app and make sure you're signed into your account. This is important because the backup settings are tied to the specific account you're using. If you have more than one Google account on your device, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right one before moving on. Once you're in the app, go to your profile. You'll usually find your profile picture or account icon in the top corner of the screen. Tap on that and then select Photos settings. This is where Google Photos keeps the main controls for backup, storage, and other account-related options. Inside the settings menu, look for backup and tap on it. This section shows you the current backup status and gives you access to the options related to your uploaded media. If backup is turned on, this is the place where you can manage or reverse it. Now, in the backup settings, look for the option called Undo Backup and tap it. This is the key setting for this process. Google Photos may place this option a little lower in the menu, so if you don't see it right away, scroll carefully until it appears. After that, you'll see an information screen explaining what will happen when you undo the backup. Read this section carefully so you understand the effect before confirming. In most cases, this step is meant to remove backed up items from your Google Photos cloud backup while helping you understand the consequences of that action. When you're ready, check the confirmation box if prompted, and then tap Delete Google Photos Backup. This final step confirms that you want to proceed, and that's it. Once completed, your Google Photos backup will be undone. As a quick tip, always read the confirmation message fully before tapping the final button, especially when you're deleting or reversing cloud content. That helps you avoid removing something you may still want saved online. If your screen looks slightly different, that can happen depending on your app version or device, but the overall path is the same. Open Google Photos, go to your profile, open Photos settings, tap Backup, choose Undo Backup, and confirm by selecting Delete Google Photos Backup. That's how to undo backup in Google Photos.